Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through how you can log into Telegram without a phone number. In order to log into Telegram without phone number, you'll need to log into your Telegram on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Start by opening your Telegram application on your desktop. If you don't have the application on your desktop, then you can go visit a web browser and then type in telegram.org. Download Telegram for your PC by clicking on this link right here that says Telegram for PC, Mac or Linux, and download the application on your device. Once you have the app, simply click it open. Soon after you do that, click on Start Messaging. And now, instead of logging into Telegram with your mobile number, you can go and log in using your QR code option. In order to do so, go grab a mobile device and then sign into your Telegram application first. In order to log in with your QR code on your desktop, you'll need to first be signed into your account. Once you do that, go to the hamburger menu at the upper left corner of the screen and then tap on Settings from the expanded menu. Now, scroll all the way down and tap on Devices. Under Active Sessions, tap on Scan QR Code. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface right in front of your display. Tap on Scan QR Code on your mobile screen. Allow Telegram to take pictures and record video by tapping on Allow, and then you'll reach to this screen right here that says Scan QR Code. Simply point your QR code reader towards the screen of your desktop and place it right into the QR code, and you'll be logged into your Telegram account without the phone number option. That is how you can easily log into your Telegram without phone number. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.